Boy, I tell you what, today we make ourselves one of them simple workbenches. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking you got all that fancy equipment, but you don't need that fancy equipment to make this simple workbench now. Now I made it real simple. You can just download them plans and you can make yourself two of these things if you really want to. Now you may want some really cool pants like I have though. They do help. Link in the description. Let me guess, you're gonna use them pocket holes again. You're damn right. Now I went ahead and made sure that the plans they use one sheet of plywood. So just buy one sheet, that's all you need. Don't buy more than one unless you want more than one bench. Now right here, I just use another scrap piece of wood to make sure I have the right distance between the top and the sides of the legs. It makes it fit just perfect. The overall size of this thing is 5 foot wide by 2 foot deep. And it fits my fat ass. Now I love those folks over there at Wall Control, and they sent me one of them panels to put on the side of this thing. I tell you what, that makes this thing look like it's badass. Well, there you go, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and just make sure you go check out them plans and maybe buy some of them cool pants like I got.